Are you struggling to manage HR and payroll process manually? From onboarding new hires to tracking employee data to processing payroll and ensuring compliances, HR management can feel overwhelming without the right tool. Welcome to Personio, the ultimate all-in-one HR and payroll platform designed to streamline your operation. Now in this step-by-step tutorial, I will walk you through how to use Personio to make employee data, process payroll, track time and attendance, and generate report all from one intuitive dashboard. Right, so by the end of this video, you will know all about Personio. Before we get started, let's break down what's make Personio stand out. According to their website, Personio is a powerful HR management platform designed to help businesses streamline their people operation. Now let me show you what they offer. First of all, there's a employee data management, which you can see here. Now there's a payroll processing and there's a time and attendance, there's a reporting tool. By the way, there's a cloud-based and accessible from any device, which I really like. There's a seamless integration with tools like Slack, Google, Workspace, and Zero. Affordable pricing and plans here. So let's go to the plan section because this is going to play an important role here. They provide you two plans. The first one is a core. Now the second one is a core pro. Obviously you can book a demo. I will show you a little later in this video. Now you can compare this. You can come to this website or just pause the video and you can see this, right? Now why core pro is better than the core and what's the main difference, right? The price is not mentioned here because to get a price you have to just go and click on book demo now, and once you book your demo, automatically they will give you a price and they will give you exactly it's going to suit your business or not, and they will explain each and everything. Now let's click on book a demo. You have to fill up all this information. This is just your personal information, and make sure you use a business email address here. Now automatically they will schedule a day when you're free, and one of them from Personio will contact you through email and they will explain you about their product. Now to create an account, I have already told you, once you take a demo, automatically they will help you to create an account. They will give you a username and everything. Obviously you can decide it and then just go to the top right side corner and click on login. Now the dashboard gives you access to the key features like employees, a payroll, time tracking and reports, which you can see here on the left side. Now this is a dashboard, right? This is a demo dashboard. So here you can see now all the to-do things will show up here. Right now this is the recruiting section, there's a time off and my team and everybody. Right now let's go and click on, so you can move your to-dos to done. Right now how you can do this, so as you can see here, this is an employee section. You can quickly find employee detail, manage key HR documents like sick notes, pay slip and everything, right, from one single dashboard. And obviously to add an employee, just go and click on add employee on the top right side corner and you will be able to add it. Now let's say there's an automation, right? There's a automate repetitive HR workflows at scale. And obviously here are some of the benefits. It can reduce time spent on tedious administrative work tasks by implementing the best automation and all this stuff here. Now let's say I will just go and access, and this is access and permission, which you will find in the settings icon here. And here you can just give access. For example, you are the top, HR manager, and obviously there are some interns working under you, and they are optimizing at one given task, so you can just give access. And for example, you can see here junior, legal team, executive team, and there's a payroll specialist, and there's a 3 people, so you can make a separate section, the role and the member, and then you can just go and click on create, right? And this is, you can absence calendar. This is for all the employees. So as you can see here, there are 33 employees and some employee have came on time. For example, you can see Emma, she was present on every day, right? Alfred Jones, there's something which is shown here, right? It was a leave taken by Elena, right? You can see here. So it's, you can just one view, you can just get it, right? So you can just go and click on request absence and you can create absence here. Now you can showcase the value of HR with meaningful insights. So obviously the numbers and everything, it's look really boring, so you can convert it into charts, right? And here you can see this is that's why it's shown here. You can use the charts and data to create it up. Now this is a payroll. Now for the payroll, you don't need to manage a different dashboard or different softwares. Automatically Personio gives you this benefit, so you can just go and click on approve payroll. So here you can see there's a lot of members here, your team employees, and here you can connect relevant HR data with payroll for easy review and approval, all while maintaining regional compliances. Now this is a subscription and billing. This is for the Personio, so you can just get more apps. It gives you some of the beneficial, for example, if you want to recruit, right? Obviously, so you can use an integration. There's a one feature recruitment, then there's another feature for the performance and development. So they will give you a different pricing depending upon how much you need and what's the feature you need. So you can just book a demo for it. Now you can customize this up. For example, in the recruiting section, these are the candidates who applied and the inbox, so you can having an interaction with them, and whether you have shortlisted any one of them. For example, Julia was not shortlisted and Gina was shortlisted. So you can see here Gina is here. Now you can see here for upcoming interviews, one of them, right? And in this way, there's a 66 overdue application. So in short, it will give you all this information in a home tab. Now this is job tab, application tab, and all this. Now this is a performance section. So inside the performance section here, you can see here, this is your organization. So you can see here, you can manage reviews, peer reviews, and everything inside. So it will boost employee satisfaction and development by giving managers the tools to invest in the career through review cycles. Now you can see that this is engagement survey which happen inside your organization, right? And it's a work of HR. That's why it's shown up here. You can build and launch multi-purpose surveys to measure your employees' engagement, whether they're happy, sad, and all at anonymous rate, right? Whatever your decision it is, and you can see here. Now you can cultivate a culture of transparency, because in companies, in corporates, a culture is only thing that's set apart from a different company. So it's completely up to you, and obviously it's a role of HR that how the culture they want to set up in their company, in their organization. Right now, in this line with EU whistleblowing regulations, employees can anonymously flag any workplace wrongdoing in a few simple steps. Right, so it just gives opportunity to the employees that we are hearing you. Right, your voices are heard by us, and depending upon that, we just take actions on it. So you can provide always on HR support and everything here. And this is a short view, right? The conversation, the to do in progress and waiting and all this stuff here. So it's really nice. Now obviously, when I told you in the introduction part that it get integrated with the popular apps, for example Slack, this is for the communication. Microsoft Teams, so you can just do a Google Meet or something like that in completely in a Microsoft, right? You can also use for the communication. It's really good, and it's a plus on if you use if you have the Microsoft workspace. Now it also get integrated with SSO and Google SSO, and there's a lot more things, right? It get integrated. So this is, as you can see here, it get integrated with 200 plus integration. That is really nice. Now this is a subscription. So for example, as your team grows, as your company's employees grows, automatically you can just go and add a subscription. So for example, there's a 5 remaining seat, right? There's only 30. This subscription is only for the 30 employees. You can just go and add more here with per employee pricing. Obviously the pricing increase. And there's a Personio flexible platform adapts to your evolving business needs. That is a great. Now let's just go and click here. Now this is how I hope it's an introduction. It was an introduction video, and I hope how you can use this automatically. Once you book a demo with them, once you get in touch with them, automatically they will help you to know each and everything in detail, right? And this was the complete introduction. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe.